magandang umaga. Happy Tuesday, everyone. Magde-declutter tayo today sa kids. Actually, nag-start na ako mag-declutter. Well, lagi naman ako nagde-declutter, but yung sa winter, chinek ko yung mga coats ko. Hindi ko na-vlog yun, guys. I think, nagawa ko siya while pinapatulog si Indy. So, like, wala siya sa plano. Pinapatulog ko lang si Indy. Tapos, nandun na lang din naman ako. Diniclutter ko yung aking mga coats. Nainggit ako sa croissant ni Ayla. So, magko-croissant ako. And ito yung kape ko para ma-dip ko yung croissant sa kape. Miss ko yung ganun. Croissant with cheese. Ay, hot. Hot, hot, hot. What would you like, Alo? Nothing yet?
That one. I like that one.
You want croissant too? Here you go, baby. It is hot. Yeah, so you gotta wait. Do you want croissant with cheese and strawberries? Do you want that too, Alo?
The opposite of big is smooth.
Good job.
Do you want this little bunny? The opposite is quiet.
Good job. Well done, Alo.
My young, the opposite empty.
Well done.
Mommy, can I tell you something?
Hmm?
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
So, what should we buy Bozo's birthday?
What?
Should we buy Bozo's birthday when all the kids are in and out?
Yeah, of course, we can do that. For his birthday. That's next year.
And then the person gives the birth. So the birthday boy can be the leader, so he gets the most first.
Okay.
And then should we buy some birthday bubble hats?
Yeah, we can. So he's having a bubble party, is he?
Yeah.
Okay, wow. I think you have to plan. We have to plan in this party first because it's coming first. She's gonna be one. So I don't know what to do with that.
I know.
You know?
Should we do a plant birthday or flower birthday?
Flower sounds good. I
Okay.
like the flower idea.
So should we buy? So we have to go to flowers. I think we have to go somewhere has lots of flowers we can find easily peasily.
Easily peasily, yeah.
And then the lady gives us flower hats.
Okay.
And then Indy will be the leader.
Mm.
Or I will hold her, so me and Indy will be the leader.
Okay.
So all the people we know in our family, we should invite them.
Yeah, of course.
And then should we bring some of our bikes, scooters?
What do you think?
Maybe both.
Hmm.
They'll fit into our cars.
Cause.
Because you have a really big car. Mom,
Yeah.
why is your car really long when we see it inside?
When you saw it on the camera.
Yeah, why is it really big?
Because it is big.
And it doesn't look the same.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. city lights. Our love's electric, right? You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow.
Everyone,
Leaves change color.
baby darling.
Dive into you when summer's fading. There's nothing to do but bask in the glory of.
Do you want to change your pajamas? Guwapo.
What happened?
Ano, walang pimple. Huh? It just popped out. See? Huh? I didn't do anything. Huh? Cousins? No one did it. I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. Maybe because I don't have enough sleep. Is it bad? Is it really big? Dari-dari ka. It's a bit tiny. So it's okay then. I'm okay. It will go very high to what? Don't touch it. It will go really high now. Hopefully not. I'll pop it. Do you want to pop it for me? Do you want to pop it? Go pop it. I'm not going to be sad. Go pop it. Wanna change clothes? See you change clothes? Hmm? I was gonna put on some clothes. Alright, so mag-declutter tayo. Unahin natin ito. So, nandito yung mga sinusuot ng mga bata lagi. And lagi ako nagdi-declutter dito. So, kapag nagtutupi ako, nagdi-declutter ako guys. But, ngayon na malamig na, hindi pa ako seryosong declutter talaga. Like, gino-go through yung tigi-isa. Like, kung ano lang yung nilabhan ko, yun, pag feeling ko hindi na kasya, dinideclutter ko. But hindi ko pa nag-go through ito talaga. So that's what we are doing today to make more space para sa mga panglalamig. Ang maganda dito is gumamit ako ng mga organizer. So ito, and mas puno na din siya ngayon kasi tatlo na sila guys. Noon kasi si Ayla lang at saka si Arlo, damit lang nila. Ngayon nandito na pati damit ni Indy. So kailangan talaga mag-declutter always para magkasya yung sa kanilang tatlo. Kasi hindi lang damit yung nandito ha, tatlong drawers to. Sa pinakataas, nandyan yung mga nappies, mga burp clothes. So, yung damit talaga is siguro mga 1/4 ng pinakataas, tapos yung dalawang pinakababa. And, pero wala dito lahat. Yung mga bouquet na pang-winter, yung mga makakapal talaga, nandun sa closet talaga nila. So, let's go through. Like, itong mga itong mga to, hindi na to gagamitin ni Indy. Yung mga swaddle na short sleeve, hindi na to gamit. And diretso na to declutter because hindi na tayo magdi-baby. Nakakaloka. Yeah. New clothes, that's right. Alright, so let's do that. So, ilabas ko lang lahat, tapos itabi ko yung mga hindi na gagamitin ng mga bata. Let's do that.
Winter sun, maybe this is the season.
That was Indy's hat.
Next time, no.
I know.
Beneath an endless night, version of love.
My best friend.
Sige. Oh. Hi. Say how are you? Good morning. Say good morning. Bakit hindi nakafocus? Sorry naman. Morning. I know. Nasa pangalawang drawer pa lang ako eh. Nagising. Mabilis. Nagising din. Ang kalang-kalang pa. So, natapos ko na yung bottom. Nasa second pa lang ako, guys. Hey, hello. So, you join me? Yeah? Join mama? Okay. Join me. Yung dalawa, nung nagising si Indy, nagsitakbuhan pababa. Kaya sabi ko, huwag kayong maingay. Pag nagising si Indy, ewan ko na lang sa inyo. Nagising si Indy, umiyak lang, sitakbuhan yung dalawa. Alam nila sila masisisi. Kasi ang ingay, no? Ingay ng mga kapatid mo, kahit ang ingay ng white noise. Nangingiba ko, ang ingay ng inyong mga kapatid. Alright. Sige, tulungan mo na lang ako. Tulungan mo na lang si Mami dito eh. You wanna help, Mama? You wanna help? Okay, help me. Help, Mama. Ano, dito din pala si Dan. Narinig ko siya. Si Dada! Mama, nasa sleep! Ang aga pa, 10:28. Diba, sana nag-declutter ako doon before ako nag-order nito. Binili natin to sa Cotton On. But okay lang. Hanggang 6 siguro si ate magagamit niya to. Kasi ang haba. This is, 4 to 5. Kasi nag-declutter ko yung kanyang mga tights. Meron pa guys, kasya pa sa kanya yung mga tights. 2 to 4 yung size. Kasya pa to sa kanya. Pero yung iba hindi na. So, declutter ko na yung may dalawang para kay Indy na. Kasi maliliit na. No? That's okay. Ito parang ang laki pa nito para kay ate na. Ito yung napili natin sa puto. Uy! Oh, itulo ko dyan.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, 'cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting.
And they are done. No.
But then you came along and proved me all wrong. I was so mistaken, 'cause you.
Hello guys. Hey guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello. Hi guys. The guys wants to see Indy. Hello guys. Hello guys. The guys can't see Indy. Hello guys. Should we get Scrubby next thing? Hello. Hello. Hi everyone. Happy Sunday. Monday. Oh, that's Tuesday. Tuesday!
It's 1:48. It has been a couple hours. Nag-lunch lang kami. Pinalunch ko yung mga bata. Pinakain ko si Indy. Napatulog ko na si Indy. So, ipagpatuloy natin itong ating pag-declutter. Natapos ko na yung dun kanina. Hindi ko na lang na-vlog kasi nagmamadali na ako. Tapos, yun nga din, lunchtime na. Dito na tayo sa kwarto. Nakastart na ako kanina actually ng konti lang naman. Tapos, meron ako nakita dun sa taas na diniclutter ko. Nung buntis ako, malapit na ako mga anak noon, diniclutter ko yung mga damit ni Ayla, tapos inorganize ko siya, nilagyan ko siya ng label. May nakita ako sa taas na 6 to 12 months. So, pwede ko na yung i-declutter ngayon. Kasi si Indy ay mag-8 months na. So, baka meron na siyang kasya doon. So, maganda talaga kapag nililabel ang mga bagay-bagay. Kinip ko siya kasi alam ko na magagamit ni Indy yung mga damit ni Ayla kasi same sila ng season eh. So, September pinanganak si Indy, si Ayla October, hindi ganun kalayo. Hindi tayo sobrang pwedeng mag-ingay kasi si Dan nasa kabilang kwarto. Hindi ko abot. Nakasara yung pinto eh, so ayokong i-open. Can you reach this for me? Sorry, just that. That one. Yeah, just that. Ayla's clothes, but it's 6 to 12 months, so some of it might fit in here.
Turn the other ones off or not?
No. Thank you.
Glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck I Kept on playing my part, wanted to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. And I think to myself, and I'm thinking out loud, we won't need nothing else for the rest of our time. And I know it so well, I will always be by your side. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. Back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever.
Dito sa baba yung pang-donate, guys. So, for the past ilang days, 3 lang yan dyan. Pero ngayon naging 4 na. Kasi ito napuno na din. So, pang-donate yan dito sa Australia. Uy! Tapos, nasa taas yung mga ipapadala ko sa Pinas naman. Tapos, nandito sa taas, ibaba natin yung mga damit ng mga bata. May pagbibigyan na ako. So, at least, hindi matatambak sa bahay. Kasi may nasabihan na ako na ibibigay ko to sa kanila. Ayan. So, sineparate ko na yan. Ito, may pagbibigyan tayo. O, nandyan na agad yung backpack ni Inding. Kasi hindi namin yan gagamitin. Tapos, ito, mga panglalaki. Ito naman yung mga kay Arlo. O, ayan. Ngayon lang niya rin nakikita. Because we don't need it. We have a lot of backpacks. Yeah. Tapos meron pa dito. Ayan. Lagay natin yan dun. Ay, guys. Hapon na. 5:00 na ata. Ang oras na ba? Oh, no. It's 4:43 ng hapon. Lutuin na natin to. Tingnan nyo. Yung binili ko kahapon. Ang tsaka na, guys. Kulubot na. So, lutuin na natin today. Ay, kahapon. No, hindi pala. You did it? Oh, thank you, Olive. Oh, no, she's not happy. Oh, no, she's not happy. Is it the vomit on the floor that you cleaned? Yeah. Oh, good job. Thank you. Good boy. Bait niya. Sabi niya, Mommy, may vomit sa floor. I wanna clean it. So, wait sa hindi. Wait. Gusto ko sanang ipakbit yung iba nito. Kaya lang, parang kailangan ko na lutuin lahat. Tsaka na itsura. Maganda pa to nung binili natin ng Sunday. Ang bilis, ha? Tuesday tayo ngayon. So, lagyan ko lang to ng pork. Parang ano na? Gulang ba? Gulang na. Alo, you left the fridge open. Close it, please. Thank you, boy. Good boy! We will have green beans. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. You tried it before and it's so yummy. You are very strong. Ito na yung ating dinner, guys. Ang sarap. Nagmamantika pa yan, oh. And niluto ko ng bongga yung sitaw. Kasi parang medyo gulang na nga siya. I love you too. Subuan ko lang yung mga bata kasi ako lang pala mag-isa. Nakalimutan ko. May dinner si Dan. And usually kapag may dinner si Dan, nagpapa-take away ako, guys. Kasi ang hirap. Nagluto pa talaga ako kanina. Kasi nalabas ko na yung pork. Tapos ito nga, ang tsaka na niya tingnan. Sabi ko, ayoko masayang. Umalis si Dan, nagluluto pa din ako. And it was hard, you guys. Pag nagluluto ka, tapos walang nagbabantay sa 3. My goodness. Tinry ko nga patulugin yung isa. Oh, yung nakaupo dyan sa high chair niya. Kasi umiyak siya kanina. Tapos hindi naman natulog. Susubuan ko lang yung mga bata para walang maraming hugasin. Kasi meron pa akong boteng hugasan. Tapos kailangan naming umakyat ng maaga. Kasi may klase si Ayla bukas. So papaliguan ko pa lahat. Ako lahat sa nighttime routine, wala akong kasama. Sumubo muna ako ng marami. Tapos isunod natin yung mga bata kasi si Ayla nag-clean up na. Kaya sabi ko mag-clean up ka na please para mamaya hindi na ako maghintay sa'yo. Ang sarap. Way better than takeaway. Super worth it. Arlo, come here. Can you please help Ate Arlo? Guys, this is so good. Come here, Arlo. Thank you, baby. Did you have Dindin? Was your Dindin good? I know. Was it the best Dindin ever? Hey? Was it the best Dindin ever? Good job, Ayla. That's enough, Pop. That's enough. Uy, guys, hindi siya nag-vacuum, ha? Tapos na ako mag-vacuum, tapos nag-vacuum lang siya. Yeah, that's alright. Oh, good. Galing naman yung ate ko. Good job, ate. Learning, oy. Ah, how about Arlo? Does Arlo know how to do it?
I'll show you how to do it.
Yeah. Wow. Good job, Arlo. That's it, mate. That's how you vacuum, okay? It's heavy. Don't drop it, okay? Just put it down carefully. Don't drop it. Oh, finish? Yeah. Alright, put it down. Carefully, carefully. Yes, put it down. Good job. Thank you, guys. Thank you for helping Mama. Ang linis na, guys, ng bahay.
Mommy, this is heavy.
I know. What?
Where does this belong? Is it clean or dirty?
Oh, that is dirty. So that goes in the sink. Nakapaghugas na din ako eh. You okay? Nakapaghugas na ako. After natin ito napakain, hinugasin ko na ang mga plato. Nakapag-vacuum na ako guys ng floor. Malinis na dito. Si Ayla nag-clean up na. Other lounge. Let's double check. Nakita ko na to kanina kasi nag-vacuum na din ako dito. Oh, ang linis. Thank you, ate. Did Arlo help? No, you didn't help. Did you pick up the toys at least? Oh no, can Arlo do that? Let Arlo do that, please. Pick it up, Arlo, and put it back in your toy box. Thank you, ate. Ay! Alright, come on. So we can go shower. Shower time! Hindi ko alam kung anong oras yung darating si Daddy. 7:03 pa guys, but agay. Usually, umaakyat na kami ng like right after namin mag-dinner, umaakyat na kami para makapag-shower. Tapos it will give enough time for Ayla's hair to dry before kami matulog kasi dapat before 9 tulog na tong aking inday. Say good night to the guys.
Good night, guys.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. See morning. See morning.
No, tomorrow is Wednesday.
I feel so free, I'm a sweet baby.